the hardest money you will ever make in your life, is your first $100,000, not a million. And it's not even about your income. It's about one mistake that almost everyone makes. And if you don't fix it, you'll keep earning more, but never actually build wealth. Here's the thing. The first 100,000 is the hardest. Not because it's a big number, but because this is where your habits are being built. My name is Nico, and I spend way too much time thinking about money habits. If you're someone who earns money but struggles to actually grow your wealth, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Let's be real. If you make $2,000 a month and you save $200, that's $2,400 a year. It would take you over 40 years to reach $100,000. Now you might be thinking, is that even realistic? Yes, but this is where it gets really interesting. Your income can grow over time, but your habits, they usually stay the same. Look, most people don't stay broke because they earn too little. They stay broke because every time they earn more, they spend more. True, new phone, better clothes, more expensive lifestyle, and slowly, they reset back to zero. Here's what most people don't realize. You don't build wealth by earning more. You build wealth by keeping more. Der war völlig treu von bei. And this is where the turning point happens. $100,000. Because after that number, everything starts to change. Yeah, think about this. If you have $100,000 invested at 8% per year, that's $8,000 every year without doing anything. But if you only have $10,000, that's just $800. Feel the difference? This is where it gets really interesting. Your money starts working harder than you do. You stop relying only on your income and start relying on growth. Let's say you invest $500 a month. That's $6,000 a year. But your investments, they can start making even more than that. And that's when things begin to accelerate. But the biggest shift isn't financial, it's psychological. You stop thinking, how do I spend this? And start thinking, how do I grow this? You become more patient, more disciplined, more focused. Now you might be thinking, okay, but how do I get there? Start simple. Track your money, cut unnecessary expenses, automate your savings. Even $300 a month matters, because consistency always beats intensity. And most importantly, avoid lifestyle inflation, because that's what keeps people stuck. Listen carefully. There's no secret, no hack, no shortcut. The first 100,000 is slow, it's boring, and sometimes it's frustrating. But after that, everything starts to accelerate. Here's what most people don't realize. The goal isn't just 100,000. The goal is the system that gets you there. Because once you build that system, you can repeat it again and again. If this video helped you see money differently, make sure to hit the subscribe button, drop a like, and comment. How close are you to your first 100,000? The further you go, the more interesting it gets. Stay with us.